What's going on, man? It's your big brother Tren. You're tuning in again to another exclusive video. So in this video, I'm about to tell you 5 signs somebody is jealous of your success in plain sight. Okay? I'm a little hoarse today, y'all, so just bear with my voice. I just got off a cough drop, but I can still get this video out to you. Don't click off this video, watch to the end, because I'm about to keep it real with you now. If you click this video, I'm about to tell you what you came to hear. Don't say nobody didn't tell you that your friend is a faker, they flexing on you, and they capping, all right? I'm about to tell you 5 signs someone is jealous of you in plain sight. Now, what I'm about to tell you, this stuff is common sense, but I know common sense ain't common, and not only that, you probably don't even be worried about these jokers. But that's what my job is. I'm here to highlight the haters in your life, okay? But anyway, I just want to say this. If you got people that's jealous of your success, be happy. If you got people that's hating on your success, be grateful. Because that's a good sign that you're doing something right when people is acting funny towards you and you ain't doing nothing to them. Okay, so be proud of yourself if you get one of these signs. All right? Stay tuned to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to your big bro Tren, my channel, man. New videos every single day. Comment below too what sign you get. I might name about 6 or 7 of them. I don't know. I'm just about to talk and just keep it 100 with y'all. The number 1 sign that somebody's jealous of your success. Hold on, I want to get into this video, but I got to tell y'all, disclaimer. Anybody can be jealous of your success if you do anything. You don't got to be famous or nothing like that. You might have a good old job. You might make more money than some of your coworkers. You might have a new car. Your car might be new, or it might not even be new. You just keep it clean. Okay? You might make music, and you just notice some shade when you go to the studio. I'm about to talk about any career you got. People can be jealous of you, man. All right? Listen close. The first sign that somebody's jealous of your success is when you just notice that they just get upset with you. Like, one day, they just randomly just get mad at you. And you be sitting there thinking like, what the hell they mad for? Why they so aggressive? And you can feel the energy like, dang, she done, this a different side of her I ain't never seen before. You know what I'm saying? Like, dang, he acting weird, you know what I mean? Like, why he talking to me like that? You know what I mean? Why he cussing all strong and stuff? Because he's jealous of you. He jealous of you, they jealous of you. If you notice that somebody changed their behavior towards you, and they just start acting strange, and it's negative, it's toxic, it's aggressive towards you, and you know you've been there for that person. You know that last time you seen that person, they were super nice. Matter of fact, they always been hella nice. All of a sudden, they angry. No, they ain't angry, they just jealous. They jealous of you. One thing you gotta understand about people that get angry with you quick like that, they can't hide it for long. Haters can't hide who they are for long. It's eventually gonna come out. It might not be the second time you go out with the person. It might not be the 3rd time he invites you over for a date. It might not be the 1st time they invite you over for dinner. After a while, if you keep coming around, they gonna show you who they are. And you gonna notice they jealous of you. And 9 times out of 10, it's because your success. I told you, if you ain't got nothing going on in your life, ain't nobody gonna be jealous of you. So if they jealous of you, it's because your success, bruh. Because you probably getting to the money faster than them. You probably winning in life. You probably doing something good, doing something big. Boom. That's enough for them to start being jealous right there. Just that one little thing. You sold that car today. Your whole job mad at you when they were supposed to be hoping that you sell the car. They jealous. So they get upset with you. They start telling you, oh yeah, you need to slow down your sales. You selling too much. You shouldn't have talked to him that long. You could have sold it faster than that. The hell doesn't matter, I sold it. They jealous. First sign. Second sign somebody's jealous of you is they play the ghost games. They play the, they go MIA, missing in action. They jealous. And in front of your face, they was liking you, they was loving you, hugging you, they was thugging with you. All of a sudden, one day, they stop texting you. All of a sudden, you start calling them, you start getting forwarded to the voicemail. Then they come around, they ask you, why you didn't call me? And you know good well they know that you fucking, excuse my language, you know good well that you know, and they know that you've been reaching out to them. But this is how the jealousy start coming out of them, because they're trying to reverse psychology on you and try to manipulate you and project themselves onto you, try to make you feel like you the one that's rejecting them, when they really telling you low-key they rejecting you. But they want to lie about it and say, why you ain't call me? Like, fellas, that's what some of the girls do. Why you ain't call me? I've been trying to get in contact with you. No, you ain't. Fellas, don't get it twisted. Women can be jealous of you too. Ladies, men can be jealous of you too. The opposite sex can be jealous of you, just like the same sex can be jealous of you. So don't get it twisted. Sometimes it ain't even all about attraction. Sometimes that person could like you, and you could like that person on an attractive level, but it don't mean nothing. I done seen some of the prettiest couples together one day, and then like a week later, they hate each other because one of the person got jealous. I'm telling y'all, it's a crazy world out here. You'd be surprised, man, how many people actually jealous of you. Comment below if number 2 resonated with you. Number 3, the next sign people jealous of you. If you going out places, right? And you looking good, you smelling good, you feeling good. It's a good day today. In Mr. Rogers' neighborhood, right? If you notice that when you going out certain places, you notice that sometimes they try to ignore you. They act like that you ain't even there. You know, the waitress or the waiter, they seen you come in the establishment, but they ain't seat you. Or they seated you at the table, but it took them 15 minutes to ask you what you want to drink. Then, when you ask for something to drink, it took them another 15 minutes to bring it to you. Damn, all you gotta do is go over there to the fountain and just push the button. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about y'all. Nah, that's jealousy, bro. Sometimes you could be so successful. Okay, you could be so abundant and so prosperous. Okay, you could be so much focused on your investments and your assets or whatever you got going on for yourself. You forget about how great that you really are, but other people see it clear as day. Clear as day. It ain't, like I said, ain't no discrimination. It could be your wife. It ain't no discrimination. It could be your parents. It ain't no discrimination to who can be jealous of. You could be anybody. It could be your pastor. It could be a therapist. That's why you got to keep an eye out for everybody. It could be everybody. If you play basketball, bro, it could be your coach. It don't matter who it is, bro. Jealous does not discriminate. It is not racist, bro. Another sign that somebody's jealous of you, they'll start talking about somebody else that's doing better than you every time they get around you. You ever notice that people do that to you? Yeah, you know what Sean, yeah. Man, Sean got it going on, man. You see his new car? Man, he got the Range Rover, bruh. Not only he got the Range, bruh, he got an army tank. What? Yeah, he bought an army tank, bruh. Know what I'm saying? And you might not even care about no fancy stuff, but they'll try to throw shade on you when they jealous of you and try to talk about other people that's doing successful stuff in their life too around you, but they won't never say nothing about your success. They won't never say nothing about the goals that you reaching. They won't never say nothing about your mind mastery and how good you doing, but they will always bring up rich people around you. And you know, Bill Gates, man, you know, he got another vaccine coming out. Like, man, you know that last one he made about 300 billion. Jealousy is a hell of a drug, man. So they'll bring up other people's name around you, but they'll be lowballing you. They'll try to ignore you. They try to ignore your greatness. Won't never acknowledge your greatness. They jealous of you. And it could be anybody, y'all. It could be your kids. You be like, why they don't never notice nothing I'm doing? But they jealous of you. So it's a competition. Another sign somebody's jealous of you in plain sight is if they watch you, but they don't never say nothing to you. They watch you, but they don't never say nothing to you. They keeping tabs on you. They probably keeping tabs on you, but they don't never want you. They don't want to say nothing to you, you know. But it's like they know, like I said in my last video, they know every word that you said. They remember every word. They remember every place you've been. They know every move you make. But they don't never hit you up, see if you're having a good day. They don't never send you a message and say, hey, I was just thinking about you. I want to thank you for helping me do this. I want to thank you for inspiring me to do that. Now, they won't hit you up. They're jealous people, man. I'm telling you. A jealous person can come in front of your face and ask for a favor, and then you can do something for them and help their life out, and these bots will run off and don't say nothing to you ever again when you save their life. Jealousy. It's jealousy. And they can't hide it either. It's all on their sleeve. And this is why people like you are different from people like them. This jealous people are never gonna be successful. You know what I mean? Every bad luck in the world will come and try to take it from them. And it will take it from them because it's karma. You ever see people always trying to do good, but they can't never do good? It seems like a force is always make them have bad luck because they probably jealous. They probably jealous-hearted people. Another sign somebody's jealous of you in plain sight is, what's another good one? I can come up with these things all day. Sorry, y'all, I'm walking on this street with these markets. I'm walking and ducking, dodging people, so I had to pay attention. But another sign somebody's jealous of you, they don't want you to be great. They just want you to be good enough. Like, you ever been around somebody and you start talking about your dreams? You know, this place you want to open up, this food place you want to open up, this new business you want to start, this place you want to travel. You know what I mean? You know, these watches you trying to sell. You know what I'm saying? You can try to talk about some stuff you trying to do with people, and they'll ignore it. Start talking about some other shit. You ever notice that? They ever try to change the subject on you? They jealous. It's because they jealous of you. They don't want to talk about what you got going on because they don't got nothing going on. And if they do got something going on, it ain't better than what you got going on. So they don't want to talk about it. They jealous of you. Another sign somebody's jealous of you, they be trying to start problems with you, be trying to fight you. You ever been in a situation with somebody and they try to start some junk with you and you ain't even do nothing? You ain't had nothing to do with nothing. But they just wanted to start some junk with you, like, out of the blue. And you like, what I do? Nothing, bro. They jealous of you, bro. You might look good. You know what I'm saying? If you're a woman, you probably got nice looking hairstyle. And they just all want to team up on you in that room, or they all want to fight you. Girl, what's up, girl? What's up? What you gonna do? They jealous of you, bro. If anybody want to fight you and you ain't even really did nothing to piss them off, but they just like a demon or something. Like they just want to just jump on you for no reason. Bro, they jealous. That's pure jealousy, right? That's like the lowest vibration of jealousy ever. Like if somebody got to act like that towards you, that is pathetic jealousy. That's actually dangerous jealousy. That can get you unalive. That can get you hurt. You gotta stay away from people like that. People that just jealous of you for nothing, and they be wanting to try to fight you and stuff. That's real. That's evil jealousy right there. That's like dark jealousy. You gotta stay away from that as far as you can. Let me come up with one more. How many I done did so far? I don't know. I ain't keeping track. Gotta keep myself from getting hit by these cars. Another sign somebody's jealous of you is if they know you can help them, but you know you can help them do something. It might be do their paper for them, write a paper for them. You can help them write a paper. You can give them a ride somewhere. You got a nice car, you know, you don't mind taking them to work. No, I don't need you to take me nowhere. They jealous of you. If somebody know you can help them, and they know you got the help that they need, they know you got the jelly for their biscuit. They know you got the cushion for their pushing. And he like you, but he don't want to talk to you. He jealous of you. Ah, man. But y'all know where I'm getting at. Y'all know where I'm getting at. Y'all know the point I'm trying to make. Basically what I'm saying is people can like, they can need you right in front of your face. They can need you and you can help, and you be wanting to help them, but they won't help you, bruh. I mean, they won't need your help. They won't ask for your help. And you just be sitting there wondering, like, why this nigga don't need my help, man? I can help them. Like, no, I don't need your help. You know, in some part of his heart, he jealous of you. When somebody's jealous of you, bro, they feel really bad if they try to ask for your assistance or your help, because it make them feel small. And like I said, you ain't even the one trying to compete. You ain't even comparing yourself to them. But they compare themselves to you. But anyway, like I said, that's just something in plain sight that you probably don't notice that people do. You know, it's something that you can't see with your own two eyes. You don't notice that they doing it, but it's like you notice that they doing it. You know what I'm saying? But this is why I made that video, man, so you can be on top of your A game, man, out here dealing with these Decepticons, you know? Because it's all out here. It's everywhere. If you get into the bag, you get money. You on your wealth journey. You rising up to success. You trying to be the best that you can be. No matter what you do for a living, just keep in mind, it ain't you all the time. Sometimes people just acting funny because they jealous of your success, bruh. They jealous of who you are, what you gonna be. But don't let it get you messed up. Pay it no mind, man. Just come back to my videos and watch if you want some more advice. Make sure you subscribe, man. It's your big bro Tren. Comment below if you like this video. Comment below what signs you got. I want to see what signs you got that somebody's jealous of you that I confirm for you. With that being said, man, I'll hit y'all back because I got some things to do. I don't know about you. Peace.